Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to delete the KakaoTalk app from your phone, you are in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step on Android. Let's get started. Start by finding the Kakao app icon on your home screen or your search bar. Press and hold the Kakao app icon. You'll see a few options pop up like Uninstall, App Info and more. Tap on Uninstall or drag the icon to Uninstall section at the top of the screen. Confirmation message will pop up. Hit OK to confirm that you want to delete the app. And that's it. The app will be deleted from your Android device. It's quick and simple. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. If you have any questions or run into any issue, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and also hit on the bell notification so that you won't miss any of our videos.